Let's peel it off. Oh, so satisfying. Hey everyone, David with Chef Media Group here. Today in this video, I'm going to be taking a look at the Google Pixel 6 Pro. I did receive this device as a gift from Google, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the nice retail box in packaging right here. It's a lot smaller and slimmed down from the previous Pixel phones. We can learn about our product on the back. So it's the Pixel 6 Pro. We have our 5G. We have both the millimeter wave and the sub 6 options for you. 6.7-inch screen size, 128 gigabyte storage capacity. They also have a 256 gigabyte version available as well. Our color is Sorta Sunny. You can see it from the sides of the box and from the product imagery as well. There are two other color options available. We have a black version and basically a nice green version as well. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Peel tab 1, there we go. Peel tab 2, flip it over, and let's get that phone out. Oh, wow. Oh, it looks so good. Holy cow, look at that. Oh my goodness, our camera module. This is gorgeous. I am loving this color. Okay, we'll come back to this in just a minute. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we have our product literature right here, walking us through quick setup instructions. We can learn more about our device so you can see how it's arranged and everything that we have, from our SIM card tray to our power button, volume up and down, fingerprint unlock in the center of the screen, USB Type-C port, available in multiple languages. Next, you can see we have our SIM removal tool with instructions. Then we have our warranty and regulatory information. Next up, you can see we have our nice USB Type-C to USB Type-A. If we want to do a transfer from our other devices, we have that option right here. And we have a USB Type-C to USB Type-C, but there is no charging brick. So keep that in mind. We get our USB Type-C to Type-C cable, and we get a nice USB Type-A to USB Type-C adapter to transfer our data from another phone, iPhones included with that. And then we have our SIM removal tool and our quick start guide. Now let's look at the phone in more detail. So here it is up close. You can see from the back side, we have all of our camera modules and sensors on the back. We have a 50 megapixel wide camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. We have a 48 megapixel telephoto camera with 4 times optical zoom. Then you can see our flash on the side. It is a raised module, so there is an overhang, as you can see, a little cliff, an edge, ledge, whatever you want to call it right there. Obviously, it's flush along the sides though, but it looks really nice with the Google logo on the back, where usually for your Pixel phones, you would have your fingerprint sensor. So you can see how that looks. Now you can see it from the top. Check that out. Beautiful finish to this. Now we're looking at it from the left side. We have our SIM card tray. Here it is from the bottom. You can see we have our USB Type-C charging port. And now you can see it from the right side. So we have our power button and our volume control buttons right there. This also does support wireless charging on the back, in case you're wondering. No headphone jack. You can see how it looks. Again, the color is gorgeous. Really a pretty yellow. Now let's look at the screen. Let's peel it off. Oh, so satisfying. Check that out. You can see front and center up at the top, we have our camera. You can see the camera up there. Everything looks really nice. Now let's go ahead, let's power it on. So take a look at that beautiful display and home screen. We got 6.7 inches, QHD+, 1440 by 3120 for our resolution. OLED, 512 ppi. Smooth display up to 120 hertz. Corning Gorilla Glass as well to keep it nice and protected. In regards to those tech specs, we have 12 gigs of RAM, 128 gigabytes of built-in storage, but there's a 256 and a 512 version available. And the much hyped and highly anticipated Google Tensor chip. And we also have the Titan M2 in here as well for our security. Gorgeous display, beautiful home screen, and really just a good looking phone. Very comfortable to hold too. I really like having the raised notch on the back for the camera. It's just a good place. You just kind of find yourself resting your finger there, especially due to the size of the phone as it fits in your hand. It's just kind of a nice ledge to grip to while you're holding it. So really a good looking phone, 3 colors. You can see the beautiful design of it all around. Really feels high end, and that display looks really nice.